Web hosting plays a crucial role in managing websites by providing an interface for managing website files, databases, email accounts, domain names, security settings, and other resources. The right web hosting platform for your website will have protections in place for you, provide the customer service you need in a moment, and keep your website up and running. The best web hosting servers provide you with automatic backups, generous resources, an intuitive control panel, and other features that you need to rapidly deploy your websites and integrate them with various frameworks. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the top 5 web hosting servers, exploring what they are and how we rate them based on their key strengths and real-life customer feedback. Additionally, we will offer insights into how you can choose the right web hosting server for your website. So, stick with us until the end of the video to uncover the best 5 free web hosting platforms that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these software for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the best 5 free web hosting servers currently available on the market right now. Number 5. Namecheap. Best platform for hosting personal and startup websites. When you're starting a personal or startup website, affordability and simplicity are both key, and Namecheap excels in both, especially with its unbeatable domain registration and management options. Known for offering some of the most budget-friendly domain prices, Namecheap provides an easy way for you to secure your website's unique identity without breaking the bank. Namecheap's user-friendly interface makes domain management simple, allowing you to handle renewals and security with minimal effort. Whether you want to launch a personal project or establish an online brand, Namecheap's emphasis on affordability and convenience makes it an ideal starting point. If you're just getting started, the Namecheap Stellar plan provides an affordable shared hosting option, allowing you to host up to 3 websites. However, the Stellar Plus and Business plans offer unmetered cloud storage and automatic backups if you want more robust security and reliability. With all Namecheap plans, you'll receive free SSL, ensuring your website's data is secure and trustworthy, especially if you want to run ads or get paid directly via your website. Number 4. Hostinger. Best for hosting business websites. If you're looking to create a professional online presence for your business, Hostinger offers the most affordable yet robust shared hosting solutions. Perfect for getting you started on a budget without compromising on quality. Hostinger has become widely popular for its low-cost plans and straightforward management interface, which means you can focus on building your business without worrying about technical headaches. Its shared hosting plans are ideal for both small and mid-sized businesses, including local shops, freelancers, portfolio sites, personal consulting websites, and small e-commerce stores. With Hostinger, you can effortlessly get a secure, high-speed website that meets modern expectations for performance and reliability without spending a fortune on hosting. Hostinger's shared hosting plans are structured to fit different needs while maintaining affordability. The single shared hosting plan is an excellent entry-level option, perfect if you're running a business website with limited pages and lower traffic needs. However, if you're looking for a bit more flexibility, the premium shared hosting plan offers more resources with unlimited bandwidth, making it an excellent choice for slightly larger sites like local small businesses or service providers who expect more visitors. For small e-commerce stores or businesses with higher content needs, the business shared hosting plan is the best fit, as it includes daily backups and additional speed optimization tools to ensure your website performs at its best. Hostinger provides everything you need to build and maintain a professional website, from an intuitive control panel and one-click WordPress installs, to powerful add-ons like a free website builder and SEO toolkit. As your business grows, Hostinger makes it easy to scale up to larger plans if you need more dedicated resources. Number 3. 10Web. Best for hosting fast-loading e-commerce websites. With its unique high-powered content optimization feature that is designed specifically for WordPress and e-commerce websites, 10Web stands as the best choice if you're building a fast-loading, high-performing e-commerce website. Unlike other hosting providers, 10Web combines powerful high tools, an e-commerce website builder, with optimized cloud hosting to ensure that your e-commerce website loads quickly and ranks well on search engines. 10web's pay high-powered optimization helps you automate critical processes like image compression, lazy loading, and caching, which are often technical and time-consuming. This is critical for e-commerce websites, where customer experience directly impacts sales. Additionally, 10web's easy integration with WooCommerce ensures you can quickly set up and maintain a professional, user-friendly online store with automatic backups, advanced security, and responsive customer support. 10web gives you the peace of mind to focus on your business rather than the technical side of hosting. So if what you need is a fast-loading, optimized e-commerce website with hassle-free setup and ongoing support, 10web offers the best hosting solutions on the market. Number 2. Ionos. Best for hosting blogs and enterprise websites. If you're looking to host a blog or an enterprise-level website with a focus on security and data privacy, Ionos offers the best level of protection that's tough to beat. Known for its robust security measures, Ionos ensures that your data and users' information are safeguarded, a crucial factor if you're running a business in finance, healthcare, or any other industry dealing with sensitive data. For bloggers and business enterprises, data privacy is increasingly critical, and Ionos meets this demand with its free DDoS protection, free SSL certificates, and data privacy. This makes Ionos especially suitable for corporate blogs, legal websites, medical practice pages, and other enterprise-level business sites that require rigorous privacy and security. Alongside these security features, Ionos provides excellent uptime and server reliability, meaning your blog or business website remains accessible and secure for your audience. Ionos also offers dedicated customer support with free specialized assistance for technical issues, so you're never left navigating any issue alone, which is especially beneficial for enterprises handling complex websites. With plans that grow alongside your website's needs, Ionos provides a reliable, secure hosting environment, making it the perfect choice for blogs and businesses where security and data privacy are priorities. Number 1. ScalaHosting. Overall best platform for hosting all kinds of websites. ScalaHosting is an all-in-one web hosting solution with unmatched flexibility, offering a powerful hosting environment equipped with its unique S-Panel management feature. S-Panel is an efficient, user-friendly alternative to cPanel, packed with management tools that make it easy for you to handle security, backups, and performance tuning, even if you're not a tech expert. All these features make ScalaHosting ideal for a wide range of websites, from small blogs and personal portfolios to e-commerce stores and high-traffic business websites. The best part is that ScalaHosting S-Panel is entirely free, so you can enjoy very powerful hosting management without extra licensing costs, making it perfect for anyone from freelancers to enterprise businesses. ScalaHosting offers various plans, each tailored to different user needs, so you can choose the one that best fits your website's demands and scale. The Build One plan is a great entry-level option for smaller websites like personal blogs or portfolio pages. If you're running a growing business or online store, the Build 2 and Build 3 plans provide more storage, faster loading speeds, and enhanced security, which is crucial for websites that handle customer data, such as online shops or booking systems. For larger businesses or resource-intensive sites, Scalar's Build 4 plan provides high scalability, allowing you to handle large traffic volumes and complex data, making it perfect for enterprise websites, high-traffic blogs, or media-rich sites that require strong performance. What makes ScalaHosting stand out as the top choice for all types of websites is its focus on delivering premium hosting tools without high costs or complex setups. Its S-Panel makes it easy for anyone from small business owners to enterprise-level IT teams to manage their hosting environment seamlessly, while its robust, scalable infrastructure supports your website's growth. ScalaHosting's transparent and affordable pricing means you're never locked into services you don't need, because as your site grows, you can simply upgrade to more powerful options without disruption. In conclusion, choosing the right web hosting server is essential for your website success, whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce store, or a business website. Platforms like ScalaHosting, Ionos, 10web, Hostinger, and Namecheap offers unique strengths. From high-speed performance and ease of use to robust security and customer support. With these hosting options, you get tailored features such as automatic backups, scalable resources, and efficient management tools that help you seamlessly launch and grow your website. It is therefore important for you to select the hosting platform that best aligns with your website type, needs, and budget. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these web hosting platforms for free and get access to premium tools that will help improve your website. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.